salt caramel baking chips are optional. And yeah, and you will need a big pan or a small one. And these are the utensils I'll be using in the video, and all the stuff will be in the description down below. And as you can see, I'm using the cake mix. You can use any kind of cake mix really. So yeah, you need to open it, and then after that, I just have to cut it with scissors, and then pour it in there. And then after you pour it, you will need to like put the baking chips in after. But yeah, I was like, I don't know which one should I put first, but I decided to put those in. Just need a few. And then after that, you need to put your oil. And then after that, you basically just put the 2 eggs. Because like when you look on a cake mix, they need water, but you really don't need water for this one. I guess that would help with the consistency of it. And then as you can see, that's the result of how it looks. Put my spatula in there because you need to fold it for it to be like a thick cookie batter. So after you fold it to be a cookie batter, like now I'm folding it, and folding it. And then like, it took me like almost 2 minutes, I think, to just keep folding it. But some people take less time, but just keep on folding it, and then it will start forming into like a cookie batter. And I was like, surprised, because that was very I was so surprised. This is actually my first time making cookies out of a cake batter mix, and I'm like, I could do this more often. And maybe I would try brownies. So just comment down below if I should try brownies into like a chocolate cookie. But I don't know. But I think I might do that next. But I do have like a shortcake recipe that my sister made, and that video will be coming up next. So just stay tuned for that. And I'm done. These are the results of how the cookie batter turned out. And after you just look how it turned out and be like, yes, this is a cookie batter, then you just have to preheat your oven. I do it after I make the cookie batter, but some people do it before. And it just gets the house all hot and stuff. But after that, I'm rolling the cookie batter. After you have to use like the ice cream scoop, or you could just scoop it with a spoon. Doesn't really matter. But I use the cookie spoon thing. Yeah, that. Anyway, so yeah, you just put it in your hand. But it was kind of hard for me to get out the thing. But after that, I rolled it because it was actually a cookie dough batter. I didn't have to cool it or anything. So that's why I like to use batter. And then I'm just rolling it, and that's what I'm doing at this point. So I'm done. At this time, this is round 1, and I made like 12 batters. Yeah, 12 cookies at a time. And so let's put them in the oven. So you just want to open your oven, put them in there, and then you want to close it up. And you want to cook it for like 10 to 12 minutes, but I cooked mine for just 11, right in the middle, and it worked well for me. So, but everybody's oven is different. So, and then they're done at this point, and you just want to take them out, and look how the cookies just grew. And then you want to get your mittens, take them out, be safe. You don't want to burn yourself. Because you need to mold with the cookies. Okay, and that's the results for round 1. And stay tuned for round 2. So this is round 2, and I'm just gonna put the cookies in the oven, cook them again for the same time, and the same preheating, 350, and just keep on going. And, yep, it should be good to go. And they're done at this point. And then you just wanna take them out, and this time I was gonna do my hair, so don't mind me. And no hair got me cuckoo, I think. Okay, anyway, this is round 2. So just stay tuned for round 3. This is round 3, and I ended up with only 5 cookies to bake. And I was gonna put on a short time. As you can see, it's done. No more cookies to make. Sad part. But anyway, just gonna put it in the oven, and I'm just gonna put on the same amount of time, and hope that it won't burn them or anything. But I didn't really change them, so just put it on the same time, and they should be good to go. So they're done, and you just want to go ahead and take them out, do the same thing over and over. Alright, so our mom's going to do a taste test.
Yeah, silly. Okay. These are real good. I'm serious. They're really good. I wouldn't even say as good as they were.
Yep, so I did real good.
They're good.
And I used a cake box.
Wow.
The results of the cookies, so stay tuned for more videos. I hope you enjoy, and have a great day. Bye.